Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a butter lamp. Gather clarified butter, a shallow metal bowl, and cotton or linen wicks. Measure enough butter to fill the bowl about halfway to avoid spills. Set up on a heat-proof surface and keep a small spoon and lighter nearby. Work calmly and breathe, as steady hands make safer lamps. Keep water or a fire extinguisher close by in case of accidents. In this video, I will show how to make a butter lamp. Warm unsalted butter gently in a saucepan until milk solids separate and foam rises. Skim the foam as it appears, then pour the clear butter fat through cheesecloth into a cool container. Avoid overheating to prevent brown flavors that cause smoke. Let the butter fat settle and cool slightly so it is pourable but not solid. Store in a covered jar until In this video, I will show how to make a butter lamp. Position the wick snugly in the bowl, anchoring it with a small coil or support if needed. Pour the warm clarified butter slowly to encase the wick base, leaving a short wick tip exposed. Avoid overfilling the bowl to prevent spills when lighting. Trim the wick neatly and light with a steady hand. Enjoy a calm, bright flame and monitor it until extinguished.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.